Hello and welcome. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Kaveri Gupta, and over the course of next 30 minutes, we'll be bringing you stories that are making headlines this morning. We have some breaking news coming in. CNN News 18 mega exclusive. Taliban past struggle, rift widens between the Haqqani and the Kandahari groups. Key Taliban leader Sirajuddin missing from the Kabul from more than a month, and his close aide Mullah Miradar and Stenizai also are out of Kabul. Earlier, CNN News 18 reported the major rift between Taliban and Haqqanis on various issues, but major issues is the girls' education. Rift widened after the ISI-backed Kandahari group and the Haqqanis were thrown out of their own districts and not allowed to appoint governor. Even military power is also reducing from Haqqanis because major arms depot is shifted to the Kandahari side. Sources also say the situation is out of control right now because the Kandahari group is controlled by the ISI and they want strong foothold there. We have Akansha joining us this morning. Akansha, please give us more information about this past struggle between the Haqqani and the Kandahari groups.
Right. These are inputs shared by our Security Affairs Editor, Mr. Manoj Gupta, and according to his information and intel sources telling CNN News 18, a deep rift has now been forming between the Haqqani net and the Kandahari factions within the Taliban, and that is a kind of power struggle due to ideological differences. Kaveri, as you rightly highlighted, that the Kandahari faction is one backed by the IS group and in fact the ISI, and we see how Sirajuddin Haqqani, key Taliban leader, has also been absent from Kabul for over a month, along with close allies like Mullah Biradar and Stanizai. We are saying that in fact Sirajuddin Haqqani is very much in Dubai, whose UN in fact expired in February of 2025 this year. Dubai, remember, has become a key location venue for all the kind of meetings that have been facilitated by the UAE president. But we are being told that one Supreme Leader Hibatullah Akhundzada is reportedly, in fact, instructed all of them to stay away from public eye and not to give any kind of controversial remarks. And at the same time, the Kandahari group, which is by the ISI, is now and Haqqanis have been thrown out of their own district. The situation has been escalating further with Kandharis who are under the ISI influence vying for dominance. Haqqanis perceived as relatively moderate. They are trying to engage with the international community's demands, especially concerning girls' education. And that seems to become an thorn in the eye as far as the Kandahari group Akhundzada is concerned. They want that the Haqqani network must follow complete Sharia. They are accusing the Haqqanis of amassing even wealth through NGOs under the guise of international funding. They claim that because of the international influence, the Haqqanis are not able to completely implement the Sharia law. It is a stark display of authority. The Kandharis are preventing Haqqanis from appointing officials in their own districts because remember, in fact, Sirajuddin Haqqani has also been ordered by the Kandharis to submit to their authority, and we are also learning they are curtailing its powers as Hibatullah Akhundzada has transferred Taliban's suicide bomber headquarters from Kabul to Kandahar, directly overseeing their operations and teachings. It's also seen as an attempt to consolidate control of the critical units. Financial control, Kaveri, is another point of attention. The presence of thousands of Afghan and NGOs have employed a large workforce. It's also being viewed with suspicion by the Taliban Supreme Leader Akhundzada. He sees this network as a means for Haqqanis to consolidate power, foreign influence reports. At the same time, I'd like to tell you that in December there was a blast, which was a blow to the Haqqani network, because in this blast, who was killed? Was the Taliban refugee minister was killed, and that is Khalil Haqqani, who is the uncle to Sirajuddin Haqqani, also a mentor. Sirajuddin Haqqani, as we all know, is the acting interior minister. In fact, that arrived a massive blow to the Haqqani group, and are saying that this was a result, the death of Khalil Haqqani was a result of this internal conflict that's taking place. And if the interior minister of the Taliban regime is out of Kabul, it goes on to indicate that not everything is well, and if he's in UAE, are we looking at the kind of West mediation the UAE president is now trying to bring in the all questions which answers.
Right, Akanksha, thank you for putting all of that into perspective for us.